Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So, as I have been talking about on my channel, I just buy boxes when I know I want one. So this was the Colourpop Mystery Box, and I must have watched, I don't know, 10 unboxings of this, and I think they're pretty much all the same, but there was a few things in it I liked, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And I want to say it was maybe $49, and so, yep, I got it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love you and your support to my channel. So as I said, this has been out on the circuit of YouTube for a while, so I had to unbox it. So I'm sorry if you're bored, but I'd appreciate it if you watched mine. So let's get into this box. It came greatly wrapped, and I said there was so many ladies that unboxed it, and there probably a few men too. But look at all the goodies that were in there. And there were a few items, sorry, I hit the camera. There were a few items in there that I thought I needed. Probably not, but I thought I needed them anyway. So I don't even know where to begin. So the first thing was Later Hater, and they were stickers. I think they were, let me put my glasses on. There were a few things I know I have to give to my daughter. Because yeah, they were blemish stickers, and I don't need them, and I'm not going to unwrap them because they're all nicely wrapped. But I am going to see my daughter the end of September, the beginning of October. She'll be flying in from Germany because yes, she has another wedding to go to. So I will package these for her. And what's the next thing I want to take out of the box? This is by Colourpop, and this is Coco Loco, and I'm pretty sure it is a sugar scrub for your lips. And I don't know, you know I'm gonna do major damage to anything that comes in a box. So this is what that looks like. And once again, we have been getting a ton of sugar scrubs in our boxes. So that's one of the reasons I canceled a lot of the makeup boxes and just buying one-off boxes when I see that I like it. But again, this is going with to Chicago. And then we have another one. This is, sorry, still waiting on my glasses to come in. So this is the Colourpop by the Bushel, and it's a lippy scrub, and I'm assuming it's a strawberry. And I do like to change out my lip scrubbies from time to time. And then we have So Radiant, and because they can put a card in it. I wish some of these boxes would add a card. This one looks pretty. Bright Start, and that's what that looks like. So as I said, I watched a lot of these videos, and it looks like we pretty much all got the same. And then we have the Watermelon Face Polish, and I think this is more of a scrub, a wash scrub. So it gets an exfoliator, that's the word I'm looking for. And then we have a fourth Ray Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. So I'm gonna try this one right now. I didn't put anything on, and with the weather, let's see. Ooh, That felt good. So we got a mist, and I do go through a lot of mists. I spray them throughout the day. And then we got the Colourpop Flat Kabuki brush. I love these type of brushes. So that's nice. As I said, I think this was $49. I'll leave it below, but definitely well worth the price. And this is Level Up Lengthening Mascara. I have a lot of mascara, so I usually get these or put them in a giveaway. And then we got the Color Stick. Ooh. Look at the color. So I'm trying to figure out what it is. If it's a, doesn't want to open. So let's see, is it a, let's see what it is. Is it a eyebrow pencil? I don't want to open it because it's nicely packaged, but I think it's a, it's gotta be eyebrow. Now I gotta open it because I'm trying to figure it out. It can't be a lip liner. If you know what this is, let me know. Because it's awfully dark. And we got more packages. Now this has to be a lippy because it's got lips. And this is Sidecar. God, they really have everything packaged up well. I don't know if the color's gonna be too dark. Some of these colors, you open them up and they're dark, but then when you put it on, so this is the color. Smells good. So that's the color of that. It's kind of dark. And we got something very wrapped up here. So how's your all day going? This is a, it looks like it's white, but I can't tell. It's an eye. It's a shadow. It's an eyeshadow. We got that. And then one of the reasons I wanted this is because I saw everybody got these. And it was, on the mango, it was this color, which I thought was pretty cool. And then we got a Caillou Baby. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But we got these two colors. So I thought I could try to play around with these. So I'm sure they're like at least a $12 retail price on those. And then we got a card at the bottom. Oh, there's a card at the bottom. All sorts of stuff at the bottom. Oh, I think this tells you what's in the box. And then we got another palette. And this is the Plush Like Me palette. And I saw everybody unboxing this one. And of course, they probably didn't have a hard time like I did. So this is, and it's actually like a plush. Got the shadow saver on here. I'll try to get the mirror down. But look at those colors. I know it's kind of, let me see if I can take this off. They're very pretty colors, very workable. I don't know about some of those bottom ones, but the top ones are very workable. So let's see what our little sheet says. So what did you think? I know you probably watched a ton of people unbox this. And we received in this box a mascara, a color stick coffee, that was coffee shop color, but I don't know what it's for. I'm assuming it's for the eyes. Lippy Scrub by the bushel, Lippy Scrub Coco Loco. We got the Kabuki brush. We got a lip lacquer in Sidecar, which I'm wearing. We got the mist. We got an eye cream, So Radiant, the white color. The blemish stickers, the face polish in Watermelon, the eye palette in Plush by Me, the eye palette in AKU Baby, the eye palette in On the Mango, and this was the June mystery box. So, what'd you think? Was it worth it? I'm going to try most everything. I'm going to gift some of this stuff to my daughter and daughter-in-law when I see them. And yeah, this is one I saw a ton of YouTubers unbox, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to have it. So let me know what your favorite item was. Make sure I don't have any lipstick on here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and taking the time out. And I'll see you next video.